Making a recent files menu. How to make a simple recent files menu/list in your application. A while ago I had to add a recent files menu in a project I'm working on. So I wrote a simple component that should be A. Flexible, B. Reusable in other projects. This story was born, smiley face. You can download this story here. Do whatever you want with it, but I would appreciate if you could let me know if you use it in your program. Smiley face. The goal of this article is to make a simple reopen menu. See image below. First some code, then I'll try to explain what it does. // update the reopen list. Procedure tfrm main.history 1 change, sender, TObject, var I, integer, begin with reopen 1 do begin clear, for I equals 0 to history 1 count 1 do begin add, TMenuItem.Create, self, with items count 1 do begin caption equals and plus IntToStr, I, plus history 1 items I, tag equals I, OnClick equals GenericReopenClick, and enabled equals count 0, // add linebreak add, TMenuItem.Create, self, items count 1 caption equals dash, / add clear history add, TMenuItem.Create, self, with items. Count 1 do begin caption equals clear history, tag equals -1, OnClick equals GenericReopenClick, and / reopen item clicked. Procedure tfrm main.GenericReopenClick, sender, TObject, begin if TMenuItem, sender, tag equals 0 then open file, history 1 items TMenuItem, sender, tag, else history 1 clear, and // procedure tfrm main.open file, file name, string, begin / your code here. History 1 add item, file name, and note that this is not the code for the component. You have to download and install it for this to work. History 1 change is the onChange event for my THistory object, history 1. Every time an item is added to the history component, this procedure gets called so we know the list have been changed. So we simply recreate the sub-menu of reopen 1 with the current items and a clear history item. GenericReopenClick. The procedure we set on all menu items on click is where you would put your code to handle the event where someone clicked on an item in our menu. I thought it was easiest to save the index of every history item in the corresponding menu items tag property, as you can see above. The index of an history item never can be -1, so I used it to clear the history. This story can only load / save its list from / to ini files. But adding support for other formats such as the registry or a custom format shouldn't be a problem. If you find any bugs or make any improvements, please let me know so I can update it.